Okay, this is the intro to the modeling section of the course. We're going to do the 3ds Max stuff and the Marvelous Designer stuff all in this beginning section of the course. And we're going to start right off with some practice projects. This is the finished image that we're looking to try and recreate, and this is something I created for the course. And what I'm going to do is break it down into chunks and model specific parts of this for different modeling projects that you can follow along with. We're going to start off with the walls so that you have the base. We're going to do the floor. We're going to do this furniture. We're going to do a window up here. Then we're going to do curtains, cushions, and various other things. And then I'm going to direct you where and how to kind of fill in the space with lots of entourage objects. So as you're taking the course, as you get into this section about modeling, make sure that you remember you can always go up here to the top of your dashboard while you're in Udemy and go to the Q&A section. You can ask me any questions there. You can see a bunch of people have done this. This is from another course. There's literally hundreds of questions here. So there's a large database that you can search of questions that have already been asked, or you can just ask your own right there. And I always try to get to it within a day. Sometimes I don't, but almost always I do. And remember that I'm going to be giving you files as you go. So when we do the practice projects, I'm going to give you something to start working with. And eventually by the end, you'll have all my models available to you. But to get them, you have to know where to find them. So generally when you're in a lecture, if it says resources available up here, you can click that and it will bring a slide out and show all the lectures, and it'll show a little download link in the current lecture that you're in, and that's where you can download the resources for that lecture. So in a lecture where I'm talking about a project, a modeling project, generally you will want to click here to get the download link to download that model, and you can follow along with my modeling as I go. So yeah, enjoy, remember to ask questions and to be involved, and make sure to do the practice projects so that you can learn, because there's no way you can learn by just watching me do it. You got to get in and do it yourself.